Welcome back YouTube, it's Robert Hall, and today I'm going to show you the alt masking function that's available from Godox. The alt masking function is a feature available on some Godox lighting, including the Godox AD600, the AD600 Pro, the AD200, and the QT series strobes. Alt masking is designed to let you alternate between light sources as you take images. Enabling it will fire your lights individually so that your resulting images only show a single light source or group of light sources. Those sequences can include a single light or multiple lights as one group, but as you advance through them, it's only going to show one at a time. It's most useful for e-commerce and product photography that requires a solid white background. But there's tons of other creative applications that you could use it for, and it would be extremely useful just for creating composites of any type. The only thing is that as you go through these sequences, you're going to need your subject to remain still for as long as it takes you to advance between the groups. So it's most useful for inanimate objects that aren't going to move, but with how high the frame rate is on some cameras, if your subject can stay still for just a short period of time, you can apply this to a live subject as well. First, let me show you how to set up the masking mode on various Godox products. On the QT series, hold the custom function button and navigate to custom function F3. Click in the dial and turn until it is in N1, which will be the first light in the sequence. On the AD200, hold the test button to open custom functions. Select F5 and rotate the dial to your desired sequence. For this example, we'll use N2. On the AD600 Pro, hit the menu button to access custom functions. Under Units, select the number of masks you'd like, from 2 to 4. We'll use 2 for this example. Next, navigate down to the Alt menu, where you choose the sequence that it will fire. For this example, we'll use 2 as well. A quick note, on the AD200 and QT series, you're limited between N1 and N2, so you can only alternate between lights on those light sources. But on the AD600 or AD600 Pro, you can choose up to 4 masks to alternate between, so you can actually get 4 different light sources in a row. Now let me show you how you could use this for e-commerce. In this setup, I have the QT series strobe as a backlight, blowing out the wall, and more importantly, putting little light on the subject. The goal here is to get the subject as much of a silhouette as possible, so make sure to have some separation between the background and your subject. The AD600 Pro is acting as a key light, illuminating the subject in a softbox. The AD200 has a MagMod mag grid on it and is positioned behind the subject, acting as a rim light. The resulting image as we alternate are just the backlight from the QT series strobe, followed by the subject with the lighting from both the AD200 and the AD600 Pro at the same time. Now we can take these photos in Photoshop and use the first image with just the QT series strobe to create a mask for the second with the other 2 lights. From there we can delete the background and save it as a PNG to ensure it will be surrounded in pure white when uploaded online. Or you can fill in the mask background with whatever you want for a composite. So that's a quick look at the masking function that's available on Godox lighting. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you want to see more, and until next time, keep on shooting, YouTube.